Morning, welcome to day 5 of our Wainwrights coast to coast walk. Last night it was absolutely freezing. The sun's just about to rise. It's only 6:30. Get up to Angle Tarn and on to Shap. How are you this morning, Kate?
Okay, a bit cold. Slept a bit better. More.
Yeah, we came to the Patterdale hotel to have some lunch. A tasty sandwich and soup combo, and all washed down with a lovely pint of Wainwrights. See, there's fresh snow up there that wasn't there yesterday, but stunning this morning. Massive difference of temperature when you come out of the sunshine. Sitting behind this big lump at the minute, one of the Angle Tarn pikes. Like, it's bitter cold. Go on, let's get back in that sunshine. See Brothers Water just down there alongside the Kirkstone Pass. Not too many tents here this morning. You can see a couple just over there. During the summer months, it's a bit like Glastonbury up here. Very popular for wild camping. You can see why. Really nice half-hour break there. Angle Tarn. Really does look very majestic this morning. And so calm. Can definitely see why it's as popular as it is. Won't be the last time we come here, I'm sure. So you can see Haweswater up there in beautiful sunshine this morning with snow on the top. And the little pinnacle is at the end of Swirl Edge, which is a Kidsty Pike. Be stunning up there today. Very, very calm conditions with little wind. Two deer on that ridge there. Just down there is Haweswater. See a few people around there this morning. That looks like a beautiful ridge to walk, that one. We're very fortunate back there. Kate had a bit of a fall in the bog. And obviously when you're carrying a 12 kilogram backpack, you can't stop yourself. She twisted her knee. So we're sort of taking it gingerly at the moment. Sort of stop for a little while, give it a rub down. I think she's doing all right. How are you doing, Kate?
Soldiering on. It'll be alright, just take it easy for a little bit. Got my sticks, I'll be alright.
Unfortunately, we're coming to the highest point on the coast to coast, Kidsty Pike. We'll just take it slow for a little while. Maybe have a little rest. Perfect spot to filter some water. We're just starting to get low. Right, on we go. See, there is the knot. We didn't bother coming over that today. We just come around the edge of it, carry on up to Kidsty Pike. But look at that view. Wowzers, it's quite something. Yeah, this haul this morning out of Side Farm campsite in Patterdale up to Angle Tarn and up to Kidsty Pike. It's a tough gig. When we get to the top, I'll let you know what elevation we've gained this morning. It's probably one of the biggest of the walk so far. Yeah, you can see the summit of Kidsty Pike over there. A few people standing on the top. Right, let's get over there. I think that's Angle Tarn down there as well. It's all so beautiful around here. So our plan after doing Kidsty Pike is to backtrack on ourselves slightly and head over the higher route along Haweswater. A lot of people say the low route is absolutely boring and it's like really narrow paths, can't use your trekking poles. So yeah, we're going to head along the nice grassy banks of the high route and keep these beautiful views going.
Highest point of Wainwrights coast to coast walk, Kidsty Pike.
So another frog on the trail. Yes, we've just left Kidsty Pike, which is right over there now, and we're just about to head up to High Raise. So there behind me you can see the top of High Raise, another Wainwright chalked off, and now we head over into the distance there to that little hill which is aptly named Low Raise. It's got to be said, we've met some fantastic people on this trail so far. People doing the trail, people out on day hikes. We're just speaking to a gentleman there that was out bagging a few Wainwrights and is just going to go over to High Street and back down to his car. It's a wonderful day for being out in the mountains. Couldn't be better. How's your knee doing, Kate?
I'm good. I'm all recovered, I think. We're just going to soldier on.
That's what she does, that girl. She's a soldier. Right, see you in a bit. Over behind Low Raise, you're starting to see the Yorkshire Dales as we walk our way out of the Lake District. We've had some absolutely epic adventures through the Lake District, and this stretch, although very hard, is something neither Kate or I will ever forget. Memories to last a lifetime. It's been very special. So, there's the summit cairn of Low Raise, and just behind me you can see the top end of Haweswater. We're going to stay high rather than walk down. So yeah, looking forward to this lovely grassy bank walk. It's so lovely underfoot. The beautiful Yorkshire Dales await. Yeah, another great little spot there to stop for water. We were just starting to get low, just at the end of Haweswater as you start to head down towards the actual lake edge.
Just come off the high route. We've joined up with the path, the coast to coast around the base of Haweswater.
So that's Haweswater completed. Now we move on to Burnbanks. Let's go. Now, what are they trying to keep out? Or in, for that matter? It's a bit like...
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Yeah, hopefully no T-Rex are in here. Plenty of butterflies though.
What's happening back in the West Island Way?
Yeah. A tadpole, anybody? On to Burnbanks we go. £2 well spent.
Cake.
Yeah, that'd be nice to have a bit of cake. It's not a flapjack. We bought 4 flapjacks each on this walk, and we had the last one up at Angle Tarn this morning. Sick to death of flapjacks. I mean, they're great for energy and taste, I suppose, but too much of anything, it gets on your nerves, doesn't it? But these little beauties, an Easter inspired one with 2 chocolate eggs and a cherry one. Kate doesn't like cherries, but she very much likes chocolate. Nadal Bridge. Just came through a field with loads of those Scottish bovine cows, Oreos they call them. They were all really inquisitive, big buggers looking at us. Oh. So yeah, we scampered through that field pretty quickly, and now we've got a field all to ourselves. "13 miles in now. We're just over a mile away from Shap Abbey, which we're going to stop and have a look at. The weather's definitely chasing us in from the west. See, no blue skies anymore, they're long gone. But I'm glad we got over all those beautiful Lake District mountains before the weather changed. Wind's picking up too, it's fairly cold. That's our next stop. We were just saying, obviously with the coast to coast now being an official trail, I think they spent all the money on the signage since leaving Haweswater. Been a sign every like 200 feet. Kate said she reckons it's because it's all lowland. People can't be bothered to walk into the mountains and put signs. I think I have to agree. Shap Abbey. Well worth a small little detour to have a look at. And we're only 1 mile from Shap now. The Abbey was really interesting. Beautiful old ruins. Onwards to Shap. Yep, just got to Shap. Now, time to go and find a shop. Stock up with lots of calorific foods. We've only had a flapjack today and a small cake at the Honesty box there. So, nearly 16 miles in. Definitely burnt those calories.